so happy to see you here today. La 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 la. We're just sort of writing this on the fly. That's so pretty. Ooh, la 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 dee da dee dum dum. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about. Hey everybody, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and I'm here today with the star of the show, Mr. Nana BOOZHOO. Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO.
Hey, thank you very much. Hey, BOOZHOO, welcome back. I'm happy to be here today. NIMENWENDAM, GIIAYAAAN, OMAA, NOONGOOM. I'm happy to be here today. Yeah. All right, that was a nice song there, sweetie. So today, our Ojibwe word of the day is gotta be, let's see. Well, it's the new year, and it's a new beginning. We can say it's an Oshki Gija good. It's a new day. And you know, it's new days. It's a new start. You know, you can reinvent yourself. You can make some changes for the new year. I don't know. All right, take two. BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. And today, our Ojibwe phrase of the day. Oh, I know what it can be. Gichi, MANIDOO, GIIZIS, Great Spirit Moon. You know, in the Anishinaabe way, we had a name for every moon, and this time of year we called the Great Spirit Moon, or January. Great Spirit Moon, and of course you know who the Great Spirit is. He's the Creator. So this time of year, is a very sacred time of year. We say that about everything. Oh, it's a very sacred time of year because everything is so sacred to the Anishinaabe. I mean, I guess probably not everything, but you know what I mean. So yeah, Gichi, MANIDOO, GIIZIS, Great Spirit Moon, or January. And this has been our Ojibwe phrase of the day. All right. Well, you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha, and I will see you again. Yigawa min, minawa, hawa. You're pretty quiet during all this.
Oh yeah, I don't know. You seem to be doing well.
Yeah, okay.